Big up to everybody. Well, the lady upon the screen, a lot of TikTokers supposed to know her. I don't know about you YouTubers. So she named Munchie. So her personal name or her other name them that on a phone business. She named MunchieB. You know one call her Munchie, she alright. You know so she never did on the internet for a while. And she really there in a Jamaica for a while, and she start out her business for a while, but she find time to get back online. Munchie is back online. So big up Munchie. More from my people when I have the labor right them. So me I go big up the rest of the labor right them. Big up Goody, big up Dujan. World, big up Classic Jam 876, big up Goody again, come have YouTube channel, big up Philippian, big up HR Guru, big up Uno, big up Majidan, big up Daddy Strength, Pauline Matthews, big up Dr. Bless Cherish, Oral Wallace, big up yourself, Goody, big up again, big up Chopper John, big up Chopper, big up Winner, big up Politics and Sport, big up Joshua, I call him name already. See Munchie named up on the paper again, so let me call it, big up MunchieB, big up Nuts, big up Chuck, big up God Bless Nally, big up Sandy, big up you Infomedia, Rusty General, Lashika, Petal, Marcia, Alex Higgins, and big up Motivational Miller. You see you Miller? Leave the Jamaica Party explanation. I know say you know good and you have a good educational skill, but there's a problem with explain to come across to people. So when you make the labor right them look bad, but you not explain right. Even when you have the proper answer, the proper solution, when you're up on the PNP them live, them twist you and them turn you and them twist you and them turn you and them twist you and them turn you. Big up the Jamaica Labour Party. Continue to big up the Jamaica Labour Party. But just leave the explanation. Then when them ask you a question, nobody jump in, comment for explain a long explanation. We know your labour right, we know you vote for the labour right. But stop explain to them. You understand me? It's not a disrespect, you know. Don't feel like it's a disrespect. Big up Jamaica 11 411. Big up JPU. Big up steady show. 49-14 I kill them, you know. 49-14 I kill them. So listen to Munchie. Because Munchie is back. And you know so when Munchie attack, she this everybody. She big up our Prime Minister. Munchie want to know how Mark Gold in the middle of DB and G. Or Mark Gold in the middle of proving as company, but yet still Uno come no one and say Andrew Owen is not supposed to have no company, not supposed to have no business apart from being a Prime Minister. You say Uno sick and on the head. Munchie, come in Munchie.
You see the problem, Lashi, Philippian. Our parliament is very, very lazy.
Very lazy.
Very, very lazy. I mean, we're not going to vex, but they're telling you the truth. Because someone else something where they could have been just get out of the way one evening, rough one. We don't have any more business to discuss and gone to the yard.
We had a call one couple nights with one of the backbencher MP. And he said that there are times when they would want to say stuff and they were told not to. They have to really stay in line. I know that I couldn't be in that parliament.
Me neither, rough one.
Because I would have been a rebel.
Me neither.
When Greg Christie made that first tweet, and when he went back and made the statement, asked the government, I keep asking the question, how is it that no member of the government side, a backbencher or whoever, bring a resolution of no confidence to the floor? Why
I don't understand them. I hate the little laid back when they have a go. I don't know who set up that. I hate it. Because I'm telling you, if we don't talk, the civil society group and the media still hammer at the government. If the government says something rough one, they still hammer. So might as well we just do what we have to do.
They should have
do what we have to do while we are all back.
If we would have brought a motion of no confidence against them with this report now, people are look back at it and say, wait a second, but wait, the government did point that out earlier.
Wait, who should bring a motion of no confidence?
Any member of the government side into the IC, the director, executive director himself. When he made that tweet, and when he said, when the guy got robbed and he said, ask the government.
Rough one.
We don't need any support from the opposition.
Rough one.
Anybody.
I don't think you can remove the commissioners by a no confidence motion though.
I'm not saying
Rough one, Monte and HR Guru. Let me explain what I have a problem with the annual report. They put the incident in the annual report and they spoke about even the police in the annual report. I've never seen an annual report. You know what annual report is all about? right? Rough one, you have a business, so you have an idea, right? The annual report that it's supposed to speak on your whole operations, what you have done for the year, what are your plans, what are your implementation, whatever is there, and also the financial statement should be in there. There's no way you should have put that in the report, because that now nothing to do with the Integrity Commission.
Exactly.
That is a police matter.
Like they don't know their mandate.
You cannot write things. I want to how them allow that to put out. If somebody in there cannot no go back through that annual report and say, oh, that is in there. Those people are not professionals.
That was a personal thing that had nothing to do with the commission.
I am telling you guys, Parliament is too laid back. Our Parliament is allowing the IC to get away with murder. And those persons, based on the Integrity Act, those persons report to the Parliament. And you can't make civil society groups stop it from doing work what we elect to do. If the government did not do what they're supposed to do a long time, we'd have get rid of them, the people a long time because they're not cost and done. Don't they cost and done body salary increase? Don't they cost and done body other things? Then don't they cost and done body stuff?
But especially when you identify the so-called civil society group as armed.
I will mute rough one.
Rough one, you're muted.
I don't know, but me personally, I just think our government, our parliamentarian, our caucus, front bench, not doing enough. They're not doing enough. The people who sit on the front bench, when we sit beside Andrew Willis immediately behind him, those are the members of the caucus of the Jamaica Labour Party. Them are the front bench. Like could I hear the America say, oh, the front bench in the Congress, them are for the front bench. Me not feel them. Me not feel them at all. Me tell you the truth. Philippine, you feel them. Me not feel them. Me not feel them. Me not feel them, HR. They just come to Parliament and by time 2 hour time, oh, we don't plan to do any more business today and gone home. Me not feel them, brother. Sorry.
Red Girl, to be fair, I was on a live when we pass several live and I hear people say, oh, Andrew too calm and too soft. And they say you have to give him credit where credit is due. As while we can come on the live in a Munchie and behave our sort of way and cuss and class, you know, and tear down, and do not have that legacy, have that luxury. So because when in the politics, you have to be very careful, especially when Andrew sit to party and sit. You can't. Wait, give me a minute. Where Andrew sit, because remember say the Jamaica split down the middle between JLP and PNP. And if it want to seem like the Prime Minister office tear down the Integrity Commission. So yes, we can come on TikTok and tear them down, but him can't do it. You get me? He has to be very careful. The parliamentary caucus have to be careful too.
I did not say tear down, but when they mess up, I want to think open jurisdiction with an Integrity Act. We have to draw them in kind of thing.
But there's a committee that will do that, Munchie.
Have you ever watched the committee and see what they go on with there?
Well.
Okay.
Well.
Okay.
I know Warmington is on the committee, and he tried to take Greg Christie to task at one point in time.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Follow the law, follow the proper procedure. Call them to the committee and ask them the question that need to be asked.
Well, that's the process. No, I follow you. Okay.
Yeah, all right. Look at this, right, HR. Sherry Golden come out and she put out a very clear and precise and down to dance people who don't got no primary school can understand what she said in her video. If Philippine a bit she can play it. Where's Philippine? When me moderator down in that chat and now open her box come play a video. She's saying HR based on the Integrity Act. When the Integrity Commission spending time do the investigation and table a report in the Parliament, that is it. And the contractor lady give her findings and everything. That is it. The IC cannot go again and say them are recommend or them are this and that. It should be done. How is it that the IC is still allowed to be out in the street doing what they want to do? Answer that, HR.
I don't feel them neither.
Where Chargan?
Yeah, man, I'm here.
Based on what Shereen Golden said, how is it that the IC is still saying that they're not going to clear the Prime Minister until they hear from the FID and the TAJ? Then why did they table the report? Why did they table an incomplete report? Never then question we need our caucus to ask them HR and the committee.
I see a bit like they are in the government.
Of course, Conroy. Of course.
Yeah, Andrew, them front bench playing too quiet, man.
The front bench quiet, Conroy.
Too quiet, man. They not feel them, you know.
Put out that video. Them can put out video. They can keep press conference and say something and speak to the people of Jamaica too.
When they in opposition, they be more vibrant.
Of course. We don't say they must come out, come follow we and tear up the IC and come out and come see more pantas and go like we. They can't follow we, but they can't come out HR and keep press conference and speak to the people of Jamaica. Just like how Shereen put out video.
Then they know their limit. If one I backbencher or somebody else say nothing, they might fear for that. They feel too much line.
We need to shuffle with front bench. And I don't care. I know some of the liberators who start inbox me and tell me say stick to the topic and not go there. So, but we need to shuffle with front bench.
Too much line, man.
They not do their work, Conroy. Alright, let me show you something, HR. You notice when anything to do with Donald Trump, or Donald Trump people them roll out quick and fast?
Yes, aye.
You have the Speaker of the House in first rollout. You have Lindsey Graham. You have the guy Donaldson from Florida. You have the one from New York.
Ted Cruz.
Go to Donald Trump, they run out and start to go out with themselves and talk to Donald Trump. What to for we bench?
When them done question blinking and certain people, they must be able to answer the questions and they're coming with questions. What all the while? I mean, say, oh, we don't have that for our parliament.
People not doing a good job.
When things are not going in the interest of the country, or them are put things. They don't have critical thinkers.
Right? A lot of people in Jamaica like we on TikTok. I'm not saying that. But they need to do more because I'm telling you, as that, all right, look at this, right? After the debate, even though I'm a Democrat, I don't believe in a whole heap of things where the Democrat them do, when they turn boy and a girl, and me don't believe in that. And me just believe, say, when a man and a woman doing them bedroom and them private business, don't try to force it upon people. Those are the policies me don't like with the Democrat. But since me don't like policy with the Republican, neither where they love gun and how they love tell people to live their life. Me don't like for them business too. But I don't notice when the debate, I mean, enough Jamaican people watch the debate. Donald Trump obviously lost the debate. Dr. Stevie Wonders can see. So Donald Trump lost the debate. You don't see as soon as the debate done.
Munchie.
Donald Trump people have also say a spinning narrative. You don't know what this?
Yes.
Munchie.
You don't know what this as soon as the debate done, Conroy. Donald Trump people was out spinning the narrative and spinning in Donald Trump's favor. Immediately before Donald Trump come out of the arm, Donald Trump people then on Twitter say, oh, it was 3 against 1. Oh, Kamala no answer the question. How this, how that. They start to spin immediately. But as soon as somebody in Jamaica leave a party, our men quiet.
Somebody in the comments. Somebody in the comments says, can you please explain the Andrew Holness situation? I don't understand what she's asking.
Exactly. It's so like what the PNP do. Sipatala said before it even end, before the debate even end, that are some people in the past it was 3 against 1. That are some people in the Twitter I say, oh, Kamala no answer no question. That are some people I say, then do poll. Then the poll over Donald Trump media and tell Donald Trump say he win by 98-2. So Donald Trump had talking points immediately after the debate and he lost. Anybody who watch the debate can tell Donald Trump lose.
Them know what she.
They were at his defense. That's true. They were at his defense.
Exactly that's so. So what the fuck people them?
True.
What the fuck people them? They knew that. First of all, let me tell you this, guys. Before the
Sorry.
report was tabled in the parliament, the PNP gave the report to the Gleaner, and the Gleaner already write up the story. See, immediately after parliament done, the Gleaner released their story. You don't realize?
Then lie and fabricated story.
You don't realize that's what say. Immediately after parliament done, the Gleaner have a story about it.
Yes.
So they gave them it. And how are people, they're on the back foot. On the back foot. Look here, man, we front bench want shuffle, brother. We front bench want shuffle. I don't know, me not put my motor ground. I don't know, say, nobody can tell me, so when election come, me not gonna put my head, my X beside the bell. But that can't stop me from telling you the truth, say the front bench want shuffle. And Joel is even shuffle the front bench. We need active members on the front bench, not the caucus.
Yes.
Is that so?
Yes, they need to be more outspoken.
More outspoken and they pass up on the game.
Yes.
The PNP gave the report to the Gleaner before the election, before the thing was tabled. So by the time when you see Mark Golding ask if they are going to discuss it and they speak and the speaker said no, the next thing he said, release it. And the Gleaner had a story. By the time when you go over the Gleaner, go check, there was a story in the Gleaner.
It always in man the Edmund Bartlett, him have over him and them.
The
chairperson, he's the chairperson, Ed Bartlett. Him the chairperson.
All them two slides.
But the Prime Minister needs to shuffle the caucus. The front bench is too outdated. They can't think for their feet.
Hello. Ed Bartlett, they must put a gentleman for the IC business. You hear me say? Ed Bartlett, they must put a gentleman. You know see how PNP they move? You know see?
Yeah. Before the parliament could have closed and the person walk out with something in their hand, so the Gleaner had a story running about what was in the report, a detailed story. How do you think they write it so quick? They had it on cock, a wait. They had it before parliament start. PNP already leaked the report to the Gleaner. So you know what? Me agree to the backbench and them maybe can't talk. But we have a bench. Where's the Prime Minister sit down?
They don't come out of your box and you say they can't send IK or what send IK or
and the people that would immediately behind him, those are his people.
She can't come up.
Those are the bench.
Huh?
Can't help ICK because she look like she no want to come up. You see no request from ICK?
Where's the Nathaniel?
You see
ICK in the comment section, so she needs some help with the situation with the Prime Minister, so we need to explain it to her.
What kind of help she need? Tell her or something because I'm going to people can answer up here. They say she can write up here, answer up here. God bless, just come with 9 years, you know already. That's not your rent, don't answer. Just write what you want to write, then we answer you.
Yeah, ask a question or send a request.
I said I don't know which part the moderator going to put her. But yeah,
willing to come down.
Hey, God bless, and with your mind, let me ask something because the lady right there be always going with myself. You know, and with your mind, God bless.
I haven't seen her either. I don't see the person.
God bless.
Blessed, good night.
Did you watch the American debate against Trump and Kamala?
But I don't watch you and tired and drop asleep, yeah, man. But them been kind of a little bit too soft for me. I love the rough voice like hardly Sean them man. So them been too soft.
No more than the people that know we parliament. You know, so we parliament bench quiet.
Yeah, but I got my confiance of it when me hear you talk.
Yeah, man. Don't you agree with me? God bless.
Then if you say my confiance, so you have to allow me make me talk now.
Guana.
Yeah, because all of this blame, you know. Warmington was see it coming, you know. When he got after Stevenson, you know. And every Ed Bartlett is the one that shields Stevenson, you know.
Same way.
You understand me? So him have it to deal with now. So me done the video on Japan TikTok say hell because he of him office left now to deal with this where the Prime Minister head. But everybody's supposed to blame because Warmington is a man who do research, you know, man, and he's a man who know about politics, you know, brother. It's not a man who jump up and talk when he talk, you know, connect, you know. Anytime that a man lick the man sentence, you get, you know.
No most.
So him did see this coming, so me not have nothing further to say. Me just I tell you no say, through me on the day attack, I tell you say the person where this ball left in our office over the Prime Minister head is Mr. Edmund Bartlett.
But God bless.
Me
did work in American politics. You know, Jamaican people love American politics. They watch it every day. Donald Trump is being shielded. I mean, not Donald Trump writing everything, but me like that. I love that. Me not care what he wants about Donald Trump. Me not vote for him. Me not like him. Me think he's a bad person, a racist, whatever. But when me realize, as soon as one story drop about Donald Trump, it's not favorable. You have about 10 people come out and they spin it for them way and then twist it for them way and then go for interview with CNN and then go for interview with Fox and they spin like a gig, and by the time they don't remember what they talk about Donald Trump say again.
I saw the right wing of the Republican Party still.
Exactly.
Which I find odd. Yeah, I find it odd, you know.
Me sometimes I wonder how they come up with the story they no Philippine, but they good like goal.
But you know,
I find it odd that a party like that would run with such thing. A party
no man, because I know the Republican Party is the Republican Party no more. That is a MAGA party. That is Donald Trump party.
Exactly. Because the Republican Party is a conservative party, a Christian.
They're not conservative.
But of course, you have the right wing of the party, which is the MAGA.
Right now, we prefer vote with Trump. Right?
That don't exist no more. That don't exist no more. The Republican Party of your grandfather don't exist anymore. This
exactly.
Republican Party
don't exist anymore.
No,
that is not party. The grand old party is not there anymore. It's the mega.
This party now is akin to the Mark Golding party. What they have decided that they can make up anything and just run with it, just put it out there. It's like all, you know, Munchie, when you start out, you know, you was beating Dan Jackson, and you're right. Because here's what they do. Here's a game that they play. They can say anything and go back and apologize because they already put it out there. So when the PMP, we're in an election season, and I don't understand, you know, I saw the party kick up them communication, and I was like, yes. But when the PMP was having their conference, I don't know why we didn't have a team live on some paid media and knock down every point by point, then put up every speaker go up there, you knock it down. Maybe nobody would be watching it at that time because everybody was tuned to the PMP conference, but certainly the following day, we should have done that.
Yes. Just like when they do it, just like when they do it in America.
Yeah.
Yes.
But that's what I'm saying, rough one. That's what I'm saying. That's why I tell HR say our philosophy in the party need to change to fit the political climate that we're now in. Gone are the days we just lay back and rest back.
But I use this medium.
We're supposed to have our team out and watch the conference, and then as PNP conference drops, so we keep on press conference and points by points we lick it down.
But I use this medium though, Munchie. I use your platform to tell labor rights in all the constituencies is to show up at their MP's office and tell them, listen, we need more from you in the parliament than just talking about you coming back here to fix road. You have a function in the parliament too.
Jamaican people do not know how to communicate with their MP. Them feel like them not have no power, and you have the power.
Yes.
You make the changes. You can chat to your MP and tell them what you want in a parliament.
I grant you, if 5 strong labor rights show up.
When you think when the power is just coming out on Black Road and then sitting there.
If 5 strong labor rights show up in the MP office and say, listen, you see Andrew, if me don't hear you defend Andrew, you know, me not defend you, you know.
Exactly. Me don't understand it, rough one. Me don't understand it. Me don't understand it. I'm baffled because I am saying we have 49 MP in the parliament.
Listen to me.
I am not saying the MP they must follow we on TikTok because we on TikTok we are doing what we're supposed to do. We are doing we TikTok business. They are in the parliament, and you tell me say them have an idea about the integrity report that was coming out, and I can't seem like how PNP could have passed it over to the cleaner. They could have it too, and if they even not have it, they got it in the parliament while the parliament was going through, and none of them have nothing to say.
You know,
But I
them
want to
stand
know.
up strong, man. Stand up
I want to know if
strong.
that report was sent out digitally, because during the parliament session that day, I'm not going to call names, but I noticed certain people looking together in a group, three of them, looking at their tablets.
Of course. Rough one.
The
They
first sign, make you know so they know more, you know. Remember,
That's what I'm
when
saying.
the clerk stood up and she said these are the reports that she got from, it was where Paulwell stood up and asked, just to confirm, these are all the reports you received. How he know says she never table one or she never read out one. How
exactly. When the IC sent the report to the parliament, you know, guys, the PNP, even though it is sent to the speaker of the house and the secretary and the senate, whatever, the PNP have people everywhere. They saw it. That's why Nathan could have come on nationwide and tell Cliff say, in positive say, I know that alone on the report. You remember that?
So was there really another report that wasn't read?
I think she never read something. Yes.
After the clerk read out the reports that she had to table, the Caldwell, which is the leader of opposition business.
Right, I heard that part.
Just to confirm, these are all the reports that you received from IC. She said yes. And him looked at her and then he said okay. And then she came back. I don't know who's ever talked to her because she didn't talk to her people. And then she came back and she said, sorry, she have at least one more.
Exactly.
How he knew because
Did she read it? Did she read that other one though?
Yeah, she did.
Yes,
She did.
Okay, what was that other one?
But rough one, even before that day, the PNP already leaked it to the media. I'm telling you. They did another story and cock right, ready with
Well, he said, Paul said he knew that because the IC had tweeted that they had submitted another report.
Yes. And me I tell you, so the report about Andrew Holness, the Gleaner had it before, because you see, if you read the article that the Gleaner wrote, there's no way they can read a report this so quick for know all them something there. They had it before. Read a report
Conroy,
you're echoing really bad.
Alright, they'll come down.
So me I said to my party, rough one, be more vigilant. And a long time I tell them to be more vigilant, but they not listen to me. A long time I tell them in a Philippine.
Even Nationwide got it, but Nationwide was brave enough to say they got it from the IC.
Right.
Nationwide was brave enough to say, according to our sources in the Integrity Commission. That's what they said.
Yes. And the Gleaner added too. But me don't know, guys, but the way all the IC corrupt and political. I mean, as I said before, I do not expect my government to come out and say those things. We can say it. But my government should get my parliamentarian when we vote for 49 of them can find ways to ask pertinent questions. They must can find ways to ask important questions rough one, and that's so they can do that.
Everybody acting like they're scared. I don't want the IC turn on me next. You know? That's what we get.
We don't know about. We have to, we on social media, no PNP can't step to with garbage.
Hold on, guys. King says they upload the report while Parliament was in session. But
yes,
they
that's what they did.
All of that and interpret and whatever. While Parliament was in session.
Okay, so that explains why they were
they
that's what they did.
All of that and interpret and whatever. Conroy, who are mute? Who are echo?
I know me.
Oh, a rough one.
Philippine, me only God can tell me say PNP
no rough one.
To Gleaner. Only God can tell me.
God can tell me say PNP no rough one.
It's open.
Only God can tell me. That's why I say the petal say our MP just. Me don't know what do them petal. Me don't know who will give them the direction, but whoever give them the direction need to go sit down.
Before,
you know what kind of principle this the government pick up for allow the PNP to run and tell be a lie upon the government, and we not say nothing because we don't want to seem like we are cause IC. We not say nothing because we don't want to see like we are trying to muzzle them. We not say nothing because this and that.
Munchie, you noticed before You realize the
Hello.
stance of Mark Golden before he was like, oh, the IC was created by me, everything is by me. Now that people are saying that no, this that the IC has links within the PNP because I wanna put it in place. All of a sudden he's telling people no, even though we were the one that put the legislation, we weren't the one that hired them. All of a sudden, them not have
Yes. But you know what? But you know what, Ren's girl?
And the
But you
fact
know
that
what, Ren's girl, the PNP continue to keep conference and talking to the people of Jamaica. What are we doing? And everybody on TikTok can listen to we, you know. Yeah, the people in my rural area will watch TVJ.
Exactly, my summer feel.
I want to know, yeah, the people in my rural area will watch TVJ.
Yes.
So we can have some conference and invite them to the platform. I believe so too.
We have the people in front and the rural area. We are listening to Nathan Campbell and Mark Golden with them bunch of make up stories. Our people because first of all, from beginning, TikTok militant from the beginning of this thing. We already have we stand and we stand and nobody can come with it. We know and we have put it out there. But it's not everybody is here listening to us. And I'm telling you, if Sherry Golden never make that video and explain it, said the investigation is over, me who don't even figure it out, said over. We need more of that.
The same should have been done. If them, what they're doing on tabulating on an estimated basis.
Mute.
Accuracy. Well, yeah, you should.
Good evening, everybody.
We are talking
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. I'm here listening from early in the day.
Yeah, man, I can't believe some mistakes along after
Yes. I'm a survive Philippines. They pan all of the show them.
Munchie.
Yeah.
Long time we don't see you. Say Esther. Esther come out there and we don't see you.
And that me I say, who have Esther number?
Esther
make
come
Esther
out
know back there.
Me not have it.
Make Esther know say I'm back. Yeah, man. We not believing. Because me I said to my party, I'm done already for today.
Yeah.
But me I say I am looking forward.
I want to talk to you after the live.
All right.
I am saying to the labor right in the parliament winner. I am looking forward for the committee to call in the Integrity Commission to the parliament because they have questions to answer. We want to know which firm they hired to do this forensic audit and the Prime Minister who recommend this firm, how much money they pay, and we want them to release the comprehensive final of the report. When the report was in the report, what was said and what was the findings. We need it before September finish. So if we don't have Mr. Bartlett number or Mr. Chuck number, we don't make them know that is the next move. We the Jamaican people want to know which links, because I would not be surprised if this forensic firm not have links to somebody that the IC. I would not be surprised if this forensic firm not have links to somebody that the PNP. Because PNP always look work for them one another.
PNP want to use IC
always look work for them one another, Conroy.
PNP want to use IC and keep JLP quiet. I PNP want to do.
Yes, Ken. Ken, I beg you please, we will request it between Ken and Winner and Travi and Philippian. We will find out the proper procedure to request this from the Access to Information Act. Because we want to know which forensic firm the IC hired to do this investigation in the Prime Minister declaration, because I would not be surprised, as I said before, if it's not aligned to the People's National Party. I would not be surprised if somebody at the PNP not have somebody working at that firm. I would not be surprised if there's not a kickback from that firm to the IC. Corruption is embedded in this. And I'm asking the Integrity Commission to release the report that they got from the forensic auditor. Why don't they never release it? Why don't they never release it? I'm Justice Pantan. You're corrupt. You're a disgrace, Justice Pantan. Hey guys, we tell them from night already. Justice Pantan is a known PNP. Why did Andrew Wallace give him this job? Anybody know?
You wanted to seem unbiased.
Well, look what
Well,
happened to we now, Lucky. Look what happened to we now.
Yeah.
They're
Look what
all over
happened
the
to we now.
place. But you
Eh?
see, if they throw them out, people are going to say,
You're busy
yes,
about
he's
people.
biased.
We're not
Yeah.
busy about people, Lucky,
Busy
because damn if we do and damn if we don't.
No, but the opposition and them always have people
Yeah,
arrive.
But we're not look here, but Lucky.
Opposition no busy with you.
Either way you turn, Conroy, they still
Yes.
cost the Prime Minister and cost the government. Might as well they just do it and done.
Yeah. Opposition no business with you.
Last suit, Munchie.
Opposition job is to oppose me then one.
That's a last suit, Munchie. Expensive last
Also
suit.
the lawsuit.
If you go in the contract, you still have they can get a quote for it.
First of all, the act you can terminate people in the Integrity Commission upon the request of the Prime Minister and to the Governor General. You can terminate the contract and pay them up and then go on.
Right, but you have to have good
Me know
reason to do
somebody
that,
contract
Munchie.
in the 2025.
Then HR, you have better reason than this.
I know that some of them contract in a 2025 $2 grand. But based on my research, Greg Christie contract now until 2027. We're not going to research it. I think it's only Pantan and a couple more. But remember, I said Greg Christie never get the job 2016, He got the job in a 2018 or something like that, and it's a 7-year contract, so no check. He get, I think Greg Christie get the job in a 2019, 2018. Him now go wait till 2027.
Man, then Munchie, if you get 2018, went on a 7-year contract, the next year,
Some of them, but I think just we never hire Greg Christie till late. I don't know who they go film overseas and come hire him for.
So why they get such a long contract?
I don't ask the people who write the act, Lucky, and they don't report to nobody because based on how them are going now, and based on the letter where Comrade Pantan write to the Prime Minister, they don't report to nobody. They're above the law.
Well,
Very out of order.
They might investigate the Prime Minister, so they must hire the Prime Minister.
The thing about it, I'm saying, when they created the law, where the act is concerned and the rules of the Integrity Commission, them never figure out all the scenarios. Because if they had think of all the scenarios that could happen, them that do the act better. You understand? The rules and the regulation that is there.
Hello.
Them that do it better.
Let me tell you something.
Because I think they should have put where people, the opposition, right, and the Prime Minister, whoever have asked, or anybody who have offshore account, they need to be investigate that. That should be a part of the act.
Exactly. And Mark Jefferson Golden is on record saying he wrote the Integrity Act. And
but remember, so the PNP, the JLP took it over,
in a British country, far away from Jamaican people and far away from tax in Jamaica.
Of course, because that is what they're talking about now. They're not talking about illicit enrichment now.
In no way, man, Lucky. You know what he's doing.
Yeah, they're not talking about the illicit enrichment now, if you notice.
No, man. Tax evasion,
tax evasion that they're talking about. But what about Mark Golden?
What about Mark Golden who not pay no tax man in company?
Because
why Mark Golden money in a trust in a way?
Exactly, it should not be.
Why Mark Golden money not in Jamaica? At least Andrew Golden brought back his money to the country so everybody can see. Where is Mark Golden assets? Why is it not in Jamaica?
If not, they need to have. If you want to be in the highest position of the land, you need to show all assets and show accounts for everything that you have offshore, right?
Exactly.
And in the country.
And inshore.
Yes. You understand? You want to be the Prime Minister, that's supposed to be a part of the law.
And talk about Prime Minister, yes, better about the PM lie about investigating. Didn't he lie about him not still being a British citizen? Didn't he invade the answer and go around about I was born in Jamaica? Nobody never asked him that. Didn't he tell the people of Jamaica that he got a British visa in his book?
Look here.
He knew he was a British citizen.
Said,
as far as me concerned, everybody lie. Everybody lie.
He said on the flex that he gave it up when he entered into politics.
And he did not. And he did not, Redgirl. He lied to the people of Jamaica.
That means that him should step down then, because he like to mislead the people. He mislead the public.
Exactly.
Right? And it's a serious blot, as what he said in the press conference.
So it's that serious blot that he lied to the people of Jamaica about him giving up his citizenship when he's going to politics. He said, I did not think it was okay for me to still continue with it when I became in representational politics. When he knew say that was not true, because when he was a part of Portia Simpson administration, he was still using his British book. Sorry. He lied to the people of Jamaica according to him.
Of course.
So when we come about the Prime Minister must step down kind of life for. Well, look for him
exactly.
too.
It should be right across the board on a level playing field.
Exactly.
If you're going to
Prime Minister alone
for lying.
Leave the Prime Minister alone. He not step down because of no lie or because of no misunderstanding. He not stepping down for that.
Never lie. The Prime Minister never lie.
He not here. And all when he never tell him the truth, a Philippian, he's not stepping down because nobody don't lie like the PNP.
If Andrew move him foot, me drop him, not go nowhere.
Yeah, nobody don't lie like the PNP. Nobody don't lie like youthful exuberance. Nobody don't lie like Jefferson and Boogie Yagaman Portia. I will lie like them.
There's a lot of time that they lie and have to come and apologize.
Who lie like them?
Who lie like PNP them?
And nobody will step down because them lie.
Me no know.
Exactly, Mark, when he said he was born in Jamaica, I know we don't see birth paper. What you mean by that? We no business where you say Mark Wally did not step down. He's not stepping down.
Like say, every time Dayton can drop in him out and get a lawsuit. Right now the Prime Minister have 2 lawsuits on him, you know.
Exactly.
Every time he up in him out and get a lawsuit. And he not learn.
No, but the thing about it, you know,
none of the above.
The only way you can say somebody lie, you know, unless you can have it as proof, is that the person lie, you know.
None of the above, Rocky.
If you don't have no proof, you can't tell the man same lie now.
A donation share look. A donation share look for group what she have there, for NGO. A donation Daniel Archer share look. All she want to do is go on. All of a sudden now, since she start to make go on TVJ every minute, she go on like say she a celebrity. A donation she a look. She favor free. A donation she a look. But now listen to she because nobody never vote for Daniel Archer. If you want people to take you serious, Daniel Archer, put your name on a ballot. Put your name on a ballot. Nobody now listen to you. Who is you? Who is you, Daniel Archer? Who is you? Who vote for you? Who vote for you, Daniel Archer? You're bright.
You Richard up on the other side. I say, well, I liberate them a blog for Andrew Holness and all this rich and who not live for liberate them a live from.
We don't want a poor and poverty. We not
hungry working people. We believe in our social we grow. We not look for handouts.
Make him go.
Tell Daniel Archer say go look alive. I look from a fair NGO. Andrew Wallace now step down. Whenever tell Mark when he step down when he tell people
as far as we concerned, Andrew Wallace have little bit of money compared to Mark Golding. The man left and go. Andrew Wallace have little bit of money. A little bit of money that.
But even though you have little bit of money, Lucky, the PNP still never want him to have none.
No.
The PNP still never want him to have no money, and them alone must have money.
So I'm not going alone must have multiple companies in a garden house.
I'm not going alone must have bank and apartments and multiple businesses.
Yes.
A bank going and Peter Bunting and Ian Ears and
Them rich in the 90s, you know.
And they have nothing.
They're rich in the 90s.
Tell Daniel Archer go look at job. Tell Daniel Archer go look at job. A donation share look. And you see what Angela Brownberg come to Parliament with her ear wet last week?
Look here.
Look at the lady just come out of her bed and just put on her clothes.
Yes.
So much she don't come her ear. She not a mirror in her house.
No, she not care. At the style.
Jesus Christ. What is your Angela Brownberg left her yard last week Tuesday?
Me say at the style.
She's supposed
You know the pull up your style.
she's supposed to represent us in on the international. Then I say, oh, come in and look in New York.
Jesus, Daniel, me say, hey, Angela Brownberg, you're serious now, lady?
No, then that me say on the world
nobody
station.
Nobody have no problem with you.
Nobody say you can't wear your natural hair, you know. But
pull up.
no, nobody say you can't wear natural hair, you know. But my God, fix it up nice, come in Parliament.
Picture this now, Picture this now. We see Matilda Marky Jeep on international stage that represent we. Picture that.
And Angela rough, man. Me not tell the lady rough. The lady rough. The lady deliberately don't come out here like she not a mirror in her house. And then she love front page. Everything she stand up.
She don't know better.
Everything she have a comment. Every little thing talk, she stand up and have a comment. It's a speaker.
And she always have to have the last word, if you notice. She always have to have the last word.
Oh, she love both. Oh, she love front page so, and she not fix up herself. Jesus, who don't never see her?
She fit talk about her background.
She don't know better.
She fit talk
about
about
her. Angela Brownberg family no love her. Her pitney them no love her. Her man no love her. Her co-worker they no love her. Because if I was my co-worker, me I say, look here. You can't look anywhere you want to look about when you go on TV and you go front of people, you have to fix up yourself. What have to tell her?
But she not come from a poor background too. According to me here.
But I don't mean to say she can't come her here.
You understand? I mean, no, she's supposed to not too thirsty with the money neither.
She have good money. She not poor.
They know that.
She not poor.
And she coming from a poor background.
She not poor.
You understand?
She have good money and multiple businesses and multiple accounts.
Exactly. So I don't know.
But Andrew Wallace they had for. Andrew Wallace don't have nothing. Andrew Wallace must walk around and beg her friend. Andrew Wallace must walk the after tree and take it out of her head and beg her friend.
Yes.
Because Andrew Wallace have 3 businesses. How dare Andrew Wallace have 3 businesses?
Is it true Andrew not take raise up here? I'll mind Andrew I show money put her money in.
Of course, exactly.
Yeah. I'll mind
so what if you shuffle the money? You're doing what works for you.
But
what if you shuffle the money?
But in 99, look here, in 99.
You ready to call me?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Call me then.
In the 90s, you have much big puss. I shuffle money already and see what them do to your country. Much big puss in did I take money.
I mean, no say guys, I don't know, say me I left 9 o'clock this time. Somebody else must call. No more labor right now, they live.
Yeah, man. One labor right. You know what?
I've been live from about what time are they live now?
Philip, you have to come out of the box, right?
From about 5 o'clock, sir.
Alright, so there is a good time now. I mean, no say guys.
Before
the covered them over TikTok, covered like Caution and Andre Stevens and what the other Langmouth one name? What Petal and the Barracuda?
Dre Bryan.
Yes, the 3 of them. Them bottom not tired. They're on TikTok for almost 6 months now. They don't take a break. All Caution. And Petal when Caution beard and tied up himself. When Caution wash up him plate and cook him dinner. Because if you turn on your radio, if you turn on your TikTok 6 o'clock, Caution on. 12 o'clock, Caution on. 9 o'clock at night, 10, 11, 12, Caution is online. And when Caution beard, and when Caution wash him plate, the man tied up his house.
Caution never
when Caution kiss him baby and carry that and go up a walk garden.
I see them that talk about something will make sense to you, somebody answer to
Exactly, no Caution the talk things that make sense. Everybody wanna follow me on TikTok. I want to make sure so they like up my page and follow me because I don't know what thing go already. And me I tell them me I go come back tomorrow because the years so they cover them and say they run me off of TikTok. No day, no time, no hour. Me just busy and I live my best life. I go on vacation. But now that me now have nothing to do, I'm back like me never left. Caution, he must not have no youth because every day in the on TikTok.
You man must left him.
Every day in the on TikTok, I chat
man, a Dre Brian man.
Oh, forgot.
Yeah, man, me know what's that Dre Brian and boyfriend. Me know. You know, say man Dre Brian there, you man have to tell me, you know. You know, watch me there, you know, get me to 250k before me left. All I know, 140 now, you know. Tap up the screen and get me to 250k. Yes, Ken, I am back like I never left. And I will be coming live tomorrow if I feel like tomorrow morning I will wake up anytime I feel like because I'm on the no schedule. Unless you don't want to make up a schedule, labor right if you don't want to make a schedule, text me know so we can do my schedule. If not, but come live when I feel like, because I see a lot of laborers going live now, which is very good, don't get me wrong. So if you don't want to put up a schedule plan, it's fine by me. The two of them. Where's the clear? They block you. They're going to block you, man, because they don't want to hear the truth. They're going to block you because they want to talk foolish and tell like Andrew Wellness. But Andrew Wellness have 28 accounts. What wrong with that? Eh? What wrong with them? All in period, I call them bottom feeder. The bottom feeder, bottom feeder comrades. When they use to not good. Look over our page, go look. She said, comrade, that cost Andrew Wellness have 7,000 account. What is 7,000 US? That's nothing for Andrew Wellness where I work for them at 18. That is nothing at all. What is 7,000 US dollar? Nothing. What is 28? Yeah, Katie, bless me. I don't want to be YouTube channel. I don't know what happened to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to the YouTube channel. I don't know what. And this trap, maybe we should start it do it tomorrow. User said we must take back my time. So user, we must come on 10 o'clock.
That too late.
10 o'clock was my time. So should I take back my 10 o'clock time? Who have the time then now? Who come on 10 o'clock nowadays?
Nobody know. Only Sweetie come on 9 hours a night.
Okay. Well, me can't get back my 10 o'clock time. But when she start up your yeah, me gonna start up my YouTube channel. Oh, Petal said too late.
Yeah, man.
Oh, information media come on at 10. No, information media come on early. 8 p.m. Petal said 8 p.m. for me. Tomorrow I go have my YouTube channel, guys, because the labor right them I say, girls, start up your YouTube channel so you can have your videos saved so people can go back and rewatch, which is true. Because sometimes I don't remember what I said the next day, you know. Sometimes when I cost PNP so much, I don't remember what I'm saying. Selena said too many people on early. Yes! Too many people on early because a lot of persons don't want to come on late because they have work the next day. We need to dominate the YouTube. King, inbox me. Inbox me about the YouTube channel when you're done. Too many people on early. I guess me can't come on 10 o'clock because I don't know say me retired, so me can't come on anytime. Yeah, me can't come on back 10. Me don't mind. A lot of laborers going on YouTube, so do it please. Yeah man, me I go on YouTube. Tomorrow me go to my YouTube channel. Because really and truly me supposed to be on YouTube because me need to save my videos. So make one can rewatch them and whatever. So we can cuss Mark Golden and Dayton Campbell. Dayton Campbell, Mama Lashy, Man Portia. Dayton Campbell. All them do good for you. Just go on platform and follow. And he can't go back to the
wrong with that Emma the Munch. It come like saying I learn. It come like saying my Ebe. You don't know Ebe? I saw that man their head tough. Every time the man up in him out, he get a lawsuit and he not learn.
Exactly.
Up him head top so. Every time he up in him mouth, he put him in a problem. And he still not learn.
When the Prime Minister put out say go sue them, you know. They say, oh, sue if you want, whatever, but yet still them go back on and
Zivoni, send your request not Zivoni, make them audio. Send your request if you want to talk to Munchie, make them audio.
Oh!
Zivoni, say I want to talk to you.
Zivoni say, I need to speak to you very. Inbox me Zivoni and call me when you're done. Call me when me come off. You come off my library so you can call me. We go look who else live and go give them a little support. I'm 8:35. Nathan Campbell and the PNP say the Prime Minister must go ahead and sue them. But yet still them are go run and delete what they tweet say. In Nathaniel, what them are deleted for?
We don't know enough.
Bad and mighty, why are they deleting?
Mr. Bad, make sure send screenshot and put it up on him page and tell him, you know. Is Mr. Bad, make sure tell him see them. You know, see but take them wrong again.
Yeah, because the Prime Minister
Mr. Bad, make sure put up people and tell him say nobody take it wrong again.
With the Integrity Commission. He have them for sure. They never know say
yes, Mr. Bad put the Mr. Bad get him ready and Mr. Bad say nobody take them down, can't see them.
Exactly. They want to get up and tell
like don't tell him already say now, easy up. He must make an example out of him.
And when the Prime Minister said I'm going to sue them, now you hear them, oh, he's trying to muzzle the opposition. Muzzle? So the man must allow them to tell lie on him. You know who lawsuit will come next? Me tell him since night, Andre Stevens. Team lawsuit will come next. Team lawsuit will come next.
He have to get one, you know. He have to get a lawsuit. He can't escape. He have to get a lawsuit.
Yeah.
And nobody more ball this at time and more drop down this at time.
Exactly. He don't even have a pat for piscina. He might run up and down follow PSP now give. You know, he said,
so,
first of all,
he make sure say all of them people Munchie when have over there together, he make sure say them start gather the money for helping for now.
Exactly. And with one tell you know that. You notice how quick PNP drop him like a hot bread and take up cartel? You know, they said now, Andre Stevens there that they are conference at Kerry Swing. You know, this conference, they don't highlight him. A cartel around things at LA Lewis.
Yeah.
They just use
Chief criminal and one madman. Chief criminal and one lunatic. Chief criminal and one lunatic.
And the one from over Maroon Town there.
Yeah, 4 criminal and one lunatic.
That's why I fuck around people, so
Munchie, that be them policy. That a mark goal in a daytime policy. 3 criminal and 1 lunatic.
Yeah.
That them policy.
Should be a
that them a take fight crime. Yeah, that them crime plan. 3 lunatic and 3 criminal and 1 lunatic.
Yeah,
that them Jamaica them crime plan.
Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. I'll be back on live tomorrow at 10. Well, depends if we look online. I mean, I see no labor right online. I will come live in the day. If not, I will see you at 10 p.m. Tell everybody so I'm back. Follow me online. Follow me. Tap up this operator. So wait for 2. I'm gonna get 250. Tap up me to 250. Follow me on TikTok.
When you go live,
you can come live after info in Munchie.
You can come live after info.
You can come live after info. When info done in the morning there. About 9, 10 o'clock.
Nobody live will come live. Remember, we come off a vacation now, you know. So me have all the time in the world to go live. Not like caution when I'm like.
Munchie, when you before you go live, each time you go live, write that you're going live.
Okay.
Yeah, and also send a message right now, say you're back. Write a statement.
Caution need to run himself in the bathroom, Nathaniel. Take a shower. You know? Run himself in the bathroom, take a shower, Nathaniel. You know about that? In the live.
Yeah, man, I'm tired of being said.
When time it come out for the live, case your next one. And King, you too. And what the next person name? Call me, we could talk about the YouTube channel for tomorrow. And good night, everybody. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the support. Big up Andrew Michael Berger, the oldest one. Andrew oldest could not be 2.
You can't tell me say the live chat, so me come me live and come cross.
Zara Burton. Yeah, man, yes. Never come cross over phone live now. So, who live, Nathaniel?
You know, me no know more than figure circle and come back.
Somebody must live, man.
No, look, no share it to you still. So, I go circle and share it to you.
Somebody must live now, hours a night now.
Yeah, man, somebody have to live because we have to keep the fire burning.
Yeah, must live now. Play the Prime Minister song one more time before we leave.
Yeah, we have to keep the fire burning. No.
Live. Hours a night now.
8 emails is a full curriculum designed by learning experts.
Come on, skip ad.
With over 800
Yeah, this something there, Munchie.
How it is?
Equal rights and justice. Play that song there with your left. Towards the platform. Yeah, man. Equal rights, man. And justice.
Prime Minister